At 6, a brand new civil suit on the one-year mark of Ahmaud Arbery's killing. Damning claims of cover-up against the Glynn County Police Department, and today marks the 1 year since that deadly shooting of Arbery. The controversial killing took the world by storm. Arbery, a black male, gunned down while jogging in Glynn County near his own home. 3 white men face trial in the killing: Travis McMichael, Gregory McMichael, and William Roddy Bryan.
Well, today his mother filed a federal civil lawsuit in the case on the first anniversary of Arbery's death. She met with Haley Mason to talk about this new legal action and her emotional efforts to secure justice. Haley's live in Waynesboro at a vigil that is being held for Arbery. Haley.
Rick, it has been quite an emotional day for Ahmaud Arbery's mother. She traveled here to Waynesboro, to her home church, to organize this candlelight vigil that's happening behind me. She is grieving in only a way that a mother can, but she's also drawing strength from her family and supporters to continue her fight for justice for Ahmaud. Surrounded by family and mourners wearing her son's favorite colors, Ahmaud Arbery's mother is overcome with grief on the 1-year anniversary of his killing.
That's my baby! That's my baby!
Wanda Cooper Jones says she gained her faith in the new Springfield Baptist Church in Waynesboro. She says she's comforted to know her son is now resting here, the place where she organized a vigil in his honor.
When I laid Ahmaud to rest last year on the 29th of February, a part of me left with him.
We met with Cooper Jones earlier as she announced she's filed a federal civil lawsuit in her son's case.
And the reason why I live every day is I'm living to get justice for Ahmaud. I can't stop until justice is served, and that's my push.
The civil suit targets Glynn County, the police department, the former DAs on Arbery's case, and the men accused of murder.
The fact that they had all the evidence that they needed to make an arrest and failed to, it's a constitutional claim.
She and attorney Lee Merritt say the Glynn County Police Department conspired with the defendants who had relationships in that department to cover up parts of the investigation and avoid arrests.
When we talk about doing the case the right way, it's telling the truth. It's speaking about the systemic racism, not only that caused these men to single out and target Ahmaud Arbery, but allowed the state to participate, to ratify their behavior, to deputize these men, and to cover it up after the fact.
The lawsuit alleges that Glynn County law enforcement officials authorized their former colleague Greg McMichael, his son Travis, William Bryan, and another neighbor Diego Perez to act as law enforcement officers in their neighborhood. The 3 defendants say they monitored and eventually chased down Arbery, suspecting he was a burglar.
Doing it right is what I've asked for from the very beginning, from the day that I lost Ahmaud, for someone to get it and work it correctly.
And right now you can see Ahmaud Arbery's mother is there in the brown jacket being greeted by a number of her family and friends here in Waynesboro. The lawsuit that she filed is also claiming that her son's 4th Amendment and civil rights were violated. It is potentially a multi-million-dollar civil case. We see dozens of mourners here are gathered as this candlelight vigil goes into more than an hour now and starts to conclude here in Waynesboro. Reporting live in Burke County, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.
Thank you.